Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your subscription earnings on TikTok. So if you are earning money through TikTok live subscriptions, or you can withdraw your earnings using TikTok's payout system. And so this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first, you can check your earnings by Let's launch the TikTok application first, and then you can go to your profile and tap on the three lines at the top right corner. And in here, you can just go to the TikTok studio. So this is where your TikTok studio like analytics or your creator academy tools for creator where. So you can just go to the monetizations option, tap on view all, and here if there's any balance or any earnings, you can see from here the monetizations and also the balance. You can just see your balance from the subscriptions, gifts, and also tips from here. But you need to know that TikTok requires a minimum withdrawal amount, usually from $10 to $50 depending on your country. And the second one, you can just link a payment methods in here. You can just, if there is any earnings, you can just here click on the balance and tap on live rewards, and there will be these options withdraw, this one's right here. So if you are if there's earning in here, you can just tap on the withdraw, and after that you can just select the payout method. There are some method that you can choose, such as PayPal. This is the most common, bank transfer, and it's only available in some regions. You can check it when you want to withdraw. And there are also other payment services, such it depends on your countries, maybe like e-wallets and others. And you can just enter your payment details and confirm your identity. So if you haven't set up a payment method, TikTok will ask you to verify your identity first. And next steps is you can just withdraw your earnings. So in the earnings tab on in this live rewards, you can choose the amount you want to withdraw and tap confirm to process the withdrawal, and your earnings will be sent to you to your PayPal bank account, maybe from the 3 to 5 business days. And so that's for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.